We introduced the UV16 B3500. It's a double-stage vacuum system of Pneumofore used for drying applications. This machine achieves a dew point of minus 35 degrees Celsius. It's composed by UV16 and the roots blower, a second stage, with a capacity of 3,500 cubic meters per hour. We will see the machine open and also in operation. The first stage vacuum pump is here, the Rotary Vane air end. It is a lubricated device and the oil circuit is closed. We see here, besides the direct coupled electrical motor to the one rotor Rotary Vane air end, also the connection to the oil receiver and oil separator. From here there is exhaust air which contains vapor during the drying applications. On this side we see how the oil can be cooled by means of a radiator, so that the machine is completely air-cooled in any environmental condition up to 55 degrees Celsius ambient temperature. Here we have the fan which cools down the oil in the heat exchanger which is placed inside this cabin. Here on top we have a pressure gauge and the indication of the absolute vacuum. Whereas in the control panel here, we see it's a simple, sturdy cabinet with a variable speed drive for the drive of the second stage roots. And the machine is ready to use, therefore all we need to do is connect the electrical power and the suction pipe connection. This panel is simple to operate, clear, and it can be also improved by installing remote controls and PLC systems. We see on this side the second stage of the vacuum system, the inlet and the air intake filter, which goes directly inside the roots. The roots which is driven by the electrical motor of 11 kilowatt and the variable speed drive. The outlet of the second stage goes directly in the first stage, which is a rotary vane. The machine here is quite compact and easy to handle. It can be moved by means of forklift or by crane. The only connection it requires is the pipeline and the electrical power, as the machine is air-cooled. We have dozens of such machines in operation worldwide. The first one was installed in 2010. And what we do now here, we connect it to the electrical power so that you can see the vacuum level which it achieves. The vacuum system is now in operation. Both stages, the first rotary vane and the second, the roots are running. We can look at the exact vacuum level achieved by the system with this McLeod instrument, and here we can read 0.03 torr. The UV16 B3500 we have seen in operation. It can evacuate 78 kilograms of water per hour. There are also larger models of UV pumps up to UV50. UV50 is alone in the first stage 3,000 cubic meters per hour, with a second stage of about 10,000 cubic meters per hour capacity, again with a dew point of 0.03 torr for drying applications, which corresponds to a dew point of minus 45 degrees Celsius. Reliable and durable, based on Pneumofore's experience, 95 years of vacuum and compressed gas and air technology.